This is Elizabeth with WTI, and if you're looking to add a little accent of twinkle lights to your decor or party, then check out these fairy light twinkle lights from Brightown. I used these recently for a party. We used it on a charcuterie board, and within that board I put these little lights, and it gave it a more fancy vibe, and it was just really cool. If you want it to be more bright, if you stick two of them together in any given area, it will make it brighter, like in a mason jar or just around any decor. They come wrapped up and they're easy to store after you're done by wrapping them up. Otherwise, they stretch out to be 7 feet, which is really nice. It's easy to decorate anything that you want. You can see the little tiny light bulbs throughout. These are definitely going to be accent lights, so they're not going to illuminate the entire room, but they're going to give that perfect little accent light. What's really nice about these twinkle lights is that they are battery operated, so that means that they already come with batteries supplied in them. They easily turn on and off with a switch. They also provide you with a tiny little screwdriver and extra batteries, so then that way you can easily swap the batteries out when the time comes. What's nice about these lights is that they are small and battery operated, so they're easy to transport, they're easy to operate, but then it gives off that perfect glow of an accent twinkle light in any party or in any decor around your house. And that's my point of view.